Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a berry protein smoothie. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to be using about 1 cup of soy milk. Use any kind of alternative milk that you like. Do not use cow's milk, whatever you do. So I'm using 1/2 of a frozen banana. And I'm just going to use the last of this little berry medley. And I'm going to be using some cherries, some frozen cherries. And last but not least, I'm going to use a scoop of this Orgain organic protein, which I like. It's dairy-free and it's tasty. I'm just going to use 1 scoop of protein. Usually I'll use 2, but sometimes I notice like when I use this mix, it's really protein tasty heavy, so I'm just going to use 1 scoop for this one. And then because it's going to be really has a lot of frozen fruit in there, it gets a little thickish. I do want it to be thick, but not too thick. So I'm going to add just a smidge of water. Okay, so now let's blend it all up. And it's like really thick, so it's almost like ice cream-ish. It feels like a treat. So thanks so much for watching, and go ahead and make it and let me know how you like it. All right, till next time, bye.